Have you ever paused to ponder the environmental cost of traditional advertising methods? Billboards, posters, flyers? All these static signs come with a hefty environmental price tag. They consume paper, contribute to deforestation, and their frequent replacement leads to significant waste and energy consumption. But what if there was a more sustainable alternative? Enter digital signage. Digital signage, a versatile and dynamic tool, is transforming the way businesses promote their products and communicate with their customers. More than just an effective marketing strategy, digital signage is a pathway to sustainability, allowing businesses to reduce their carbon footprint in the smart office. One of the most compelling attributes of digital signage is its paperless operation. Unlike static signs that require printing, digital signage displays content electronically. This eliminates the need for paper production, transportation, and disposal, significantly reducing waste and conserving our precious natural resources. Moreover, digital signage is designed with energy efficiency in mind. Modern digital screens, such as LCD and LED displays, sip rather than gulp electricity. By optimizing display settings and using these energy-efficient screens, businesses can minimize power usage and lower their energy consumption. This not only trims operational costs, but also contributes to a greener planet. But the sustainability benefits don't stop there. Digital signage allows for remote management and content updates. This eliminates the need for physical maintenance and frequent replacements. Businesses can easily control and update their digital displays from any location, saving time, resources, and reducing the carbon emissions associated with transportation. This remote management feature makes digital signage a sustainable and cost-effective solution for businesses. Additionally, digital signage provides businesses with the flexibility to tailor their messaging based on specific target audiences and changing business needs. Unlike static signs that require physical replacements, digital signage can be easily altered, edited, and updated to reflect the latest promotions, discounts, and announcements. This versatility minimizes waste and enables businesses to deliver targeted messaging in real time. In conclusion, digital signage is not just a cutting-edge marketing tool, it's a sustainable solution that allows businesses to reduce their environmental impact. So, it's time to rethink traditional advertising methods and make the switch to digital signage. It's a decision that benefits not just your business, but the planet as a whole. If it is printed, then it is out of date. Surface up-to-date information to your employees with minimum effort. Thank you for spending the time to view this video on the benefits of digital signage. Let us know if you have any comments or questions.